Yabere tukunda no kureba TV wese ni kwashira mnonga ibo murebe wito muto murunji ukureterwa aha Go TV aha Star Times aha Zuku aha Pay TV yona nka DSTV nano buhereza bona buri kutureberaho iwo muto murunji kandi nkwebaza mnonga ko riyo mukibine cya mushanju echa mkaga echa katano echa kana nangwa necha kashatu tunga pass bill ne shoro murumuri burro kubanza gambire mzeire gambire mshomesa wawe gambire mkuza gambire urukundo urukwesiga wena akutunjira papara urwo rumuri abashinjira kumironka otunje pass bill ekwere cyangwa mukushoma no kwetegereza ibintu byawe zirukwenjero emission na mnonga tameje yite yakashatu etanche na man turukwenda ngo tukore kurunji twambuke ebina turujombi tuzombindi then abekibine cyamushanju turujombi cyamushanju tukoreje rero mwaka guru kwija tsam secondary nyenda kuri terecheke kindi cha program eji tuenjero emission na trip yetu utakarga
type of fish number 3. Anyone with a spare pen. When in the pen, a William. Any person with a pen, a William.
Show me the way, show me every possibility. And ask plenty, and there's no opportunity. Show me the way, how to live out a calamity. Show me the way, how to live better, to live better. Nipate maisha mazuri, watoto wasome vizuri, wapate chakula nzuri. Nipate maisha mazuri, watoto wasome vizuri, wapate chakula nzuri. Kama hakutaki pete Kenyatta Kabila Nipate maisha mazuri, watoto wasome vizuri, wapate chakula nzuri. Kama hakutaki pete Kenyatta Kabila Kagame wali.
What we call the langfish. Lang what? Langfish. How together? Vernacular name is the emamba in our local what? In our local language. How together? How together? So that is number. Then number 4. Then the pupils observe silence. Pupils observe silence. Number 4. We have the African catfish. African what? Catfish. Vernacular name is a Malay, Narishi and Sonsi in our local what? Language. How together? Nickname. The nickname of the fish is mad fish. Mad what? Mad fish. How together? A Jonio, a Malay, Narishi and Sonsi in our local what? If those are some of the types of fish extracted in the water bodies, how together? Pupils, when you are mentioning the types of fish extracted in the water bodies of Uganda, number 1, you must make sure that you talk about the what? The tilapia fish. How together? Number 2, you must make sure that you talk about the Nilo patch. The Nilo patch. How together? How together? Then 3, you can talk about the catfish, Samutundu, in our local what? How together? So those are some of the.
Kama hakutaki pete Kenyatta Kabila Kagame wali. Wali. Kuna wale shabalikiwa na Mungu wale shapenda zaidi yule. Wale.
How together? Now pupils, we normally lay. We do the laying up of the nets in the water as a trap. How together? Yes. Then on the fishing net, we apply there what we call the plastic what? Plastic float sea on the top. The role of the plastic floats to be tight on the top is to enable the net sea so that they don't sink into the what? Into the water. And down here, you apply the what? The stones in stretching the what? The net. All together. Then the fish will come across the nets in the water as a trap. All together. And it being that, the respiratory process of which is the what? Gwechenyasa takes place in the gill filaments. All together. Functionalizing with the openness and the closures of the what? Of the gill cover. All together. So this method, number one of fishing, is what we define as gill. Gill what? Gill netting method of fishing. All together. Then it goes. These are the fishing hooks. All together. We normally tie there what we call a bait. A bait, that is the food which attracts the what? The fish to come and bite and end up being trapped by the what? By the hook. All together. And this method, we defined it as a sport hooking method of fishing. Sport what? Of fishing. Stroke angling method of fishing. All together. Then two, we have the deep frying. Deep what? Deep frying of fish. Then three, we have the sun what? Sun drying. Stroke by the use of sunlight. All together. Then the kibbles. We normally get to the fish and remove the internal what? The internal organs. All together. Ebyenda biri ebikuba biri omuntu. Then waeza kubiyamu ekyenyanza nikilastinga for a longer period when it is out of the what? Out of the water. All together. So this method is what we define as removing the internal organs of the fish preservation method. Removing the internal organs of the fish preservation method. All together. Then
Salva Kiri Sudiri Wali. Nayanza go Zibidibo, Ulamu Mapuka Wasikido, Wale,
Lake Katwe was first discovered early 1500 by a man called Murogo. Okay? By a man called Murogo. And Murogo was a hunter from the land of Kitara. So on his way hunting, he discovered Lake Katwe. And that's why today the lake is named after him. It's called Katwe Ka Murogo. Katwe Ka Murogo. Because the lake was first discovered by Murogo. And the first white man, but not the one who discovered the lake, that was Sir Henry Martin, H.M. He visited this lake in 1889. H.M. Stanley visited Lake Katwe in 1880. The first Muzungu to visit Lake Katwe. Very good. Location of Lake Katwe. Location of Lake Katwe. Lake Katwe is located 400 kilometers west of Kampala, 0.3 degrees south of the equator. 0.3 degrees south of the Kasese district. Kasese district. Busongora County. Busongora County. Again. Busongora County. Not country, but county. Again. Busongora County. Not country, but county. Katwe Kabatoro County Council. Again. Katwe Kabatoro County Council. Katwe Kabatoro Town Council. Top Hill Parish. Again. Top Hill Parish. Within the Albertine Rift Valley flats. The lake is within the Rift Valley. It's within the what? The Rift Valley. The Rift Valley. Peter Lake was formed as a result volcanicity process. Volcanicity or volcanic eruption about 10,000 years ago.
yabere gumanitwe yabere kureba TV West yabere kunda trip yitu yabere kutereza kireka yabere kushita maje ukabukaruka baje nyina mutize mukahumura turagarice nyondangu emenye tujyo ntongera kureba oruramburo turi habo izoberi wayega mchi yongera kubuza wowe narabajura we mukwato kace umbuze twonke byo no yetegereza ebere no reba wabcenga wabitegereza turiyo ntubishoborwa ningashitriyo ntishoborokerwa ukurujira bari no bageza kutugambira no yongera kwitegereza nikirgo mukivina aharubaho n'ekitabo kija kijo ombongo bwawe kizo mesho gawe kitegereza reka tumire humvugaraka